इफ यू आर अ कॉमर्स स्टूडेंट एंड अभी बीकॉम कर रहे हो या रिसेंटली कंप्लीट किया है एंड यू आर वंडरिंग कि इसके बाद कौन कौन से करियर ऑप्शंस है या मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंटली विच फील्ड हैज द हाईएस्ट पेइंग जॉब रोल, then this video is for you. Because I understand in this course we study literally everything from finance to marketing, HR and even taxation. So in today's video I'm going to be telling you top 5 finance and accounting courses that you can do after BCom. Normally after BCom honors and BCom program the starting salary is around 3 to 6 LPA, but in today's video जो मैं courses बताने वाली हूँ उसके बाद you can double X your salary potential. So subscribe and let's get started. So the first one is ACCA, Associations of Chartered Certified Accountants. इसके 3 levels होते हैं and there are 13 papers that you have to give. ACCA का जो passing rate है ना that is 40 to 50%. So if you study dedicatedly you will be able to crack it. And once you clear your exams you will be able to land job roles like financial analyst, finance executive, tax consultant, management accountant, etc. So India में you get a starting salary around 8 to 10 LPA after you clear your ACCA exams, and obviously international में तो और भी ज़्यादा है. So if you are interested in global finance and accounting career, then ACCA gives you a very strong foundation. Second option is USCMA, that is US Certified Management Accountant, जिसकी corporate finance में काफ़ी ज़्यादा demand है. इसके basically 2 parts होते हैं that mainly focuses on financial planning, performance management and decision making roles. And after you finish your exams, you can start your job in any of these roles and get a starting salary of around 8 LPA plus in India and even higher in MNCs. तो अगर आप accounting से ज़्यादा business and strategy side में grow करना चाहते हो, then USCMA is a perfect fit. अब बात करते हैं CFA की, जो कि finance industry का gold standard माना जाता है. CFA के 3 levels होते हैं, level 1, 2 and 3. And एक important point that you can start your CFA journey even if you are in the final year of graduation. Plus another important thing is that you can pursue CFA even if you are from commerce background or science background or arts background. That simply means कि तीनों stream के students can start their CFA. CFA का focus होता है on investments, equity research, portfolio management and financial markets, and you can get these job roles. This course is a bit tougher than USCMA and ACCA, but अगर आपको finance and market में interest है, then this is a long-term career booster course. Next course is USCPA, जो कि audit and accounting के लिए ग्लोबली रिस्पेक्टेड है. इसके ना सिंपली 4 पेपर्स होते हैं जो कि ऑडिट, अकाउंटिंग, टैक्सेशन एंड बिजनेस के कॉन्सेप्ट्स को कवर करते हैं. इसमें आपको ये सारे जॉब रोल्स मिल जाएंगे. सो इफ यू वांट टू वर्क इन टॉप MNCs और US based accounting firms, then USCPA is a great choice. Last but not the least is FRM. It focuses on risk management, especially in the context of banking, treasury and financial markets. It helps you understand how different types of financial risks are identified, measured and managed, whether it's a credit risk, market risk or liquidity risk. FRM builds strong financial thinking where you learn to look beyond numbers and understand the risk behind every financial decision. And because of this, FRM professionals typically work in these roles. So banks, financial institutions and consulting firms value FRM very highly because ये course ना risk focused होता है and it helps you take financial decisions better. So you should definitely check it out. So these were the top 5 finance and accounting courses after BCom. इन सभी का ना फोकस तो अलग है, but they all have a common point, that is कि आपको सिर्फ ग्रेजुएट ही नहीं जबकि इंडस्ट्री रेडी प्रोफेशनल्स बनाते हैं. So if you want to go beyond your average package, then these are the best courses that you can definitely check it out. बाकी अगर आपको कोई भी कंफ्यूजन है, कोई भी डाउट है कि मेरे बैकग्राउंड के लिए या मेरे गोल्स के लिए कौन सा कोर्स बेस्ट रहेगा, then comment section is open. Just let us know your doubts in the comments. We'll definitely reply. Until then, please like this video, subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos.